G'day, this is Rue 1. We're going to look at the challenge lock, 3 monkeys down under. Specifically, we're going to look at number 3 in this series. Let's get this in the vise and have a look. Okay, we have that lock in the vise. So 50 thousandths pry bar on the top. We're going to go counterclockwise. I'm going to go clockwise. There we go. Admission, this is not my first session with this lock. I actually had half an hour yesterday and was unsuccessful. I've also looked at the key, so this isn't a blind pick. I normally like to talk while I'm picking to the camera, but I'm actually having to really concentrate with this one, so it's a bit quiet. I'll show you this key. It's quite impressive. The difficulty I'm having is setting pin 5 while not touching pin 3. Pin 1 is also really high. and I just got pin 5 set. Ooh, we've got a really deep set now. Oh, damn, we got an open. That was a difficult lock. My dog's going wild upstairs as well. Okay, this was a very difficult lock. I spent 35 minutes yesterday plus today, so what's that? 45 minutes. Now, let's get this right. We can't gut these unfortunately, because I'd really love to have a look inside this one. But having said that, the trilogy of these 3 locks were awesome. They all offered different characteristics. The number 3 was definitely more challenging than the other 2, but they were a fantastic trio. That is, let's give credit where it's due, that's Harry Bow, Lockpicka 69 and Nose Picker. So I understand it, they did 1 lock each, and they sent it out to Australia for the Australian community. In Australia, it has been looked after by Pocket Woman. Pocket Woman is coordinating all this. Thank you very much to her as well. Thank you.